Morning everyone, day 19 of the AutoCAD 30-day challenge. Today we're looking at a component which is built up of 4 quadrants. So essentially when we look at our drawing, nice straightforward, we draw one sort of quadrant and we can mirror and copy the quadrant around to build either 3. So it's kind of like a 2-in-1 saving. So let's have a look at it. So this is today's drawing. Okay, we have a 4 quadrant piece. Which is on our little view on the left hand side here. Okay, this would be typically what you see as a drawing for maybe something of like manufacturing output, but obviously be full of dimensions and center lines. So we're having the top right corners, we've used another kind of view on our viewport. So essentially I've got two views referencing different parts of the drawing within the AutoCAD model, and this has got all my kind of important crucial information to make it. So again, when you're in the design stage, you need to look at one window with its own individualized scale, and then maybe when you send it down to the manufacturing line, if it's 4 components or it's one big component but reference from one piece, you can just obviously use the tools to mirror, mirroring or copy or array, however you want to do it. So have fun with this exercise, and stay tuned. Remember, the solution will be on 6 p.m.